Welcome to MCE Plus YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel and like and share. Here is a complete, practical, step-by-step plan the thousands of 95% plus scorers in grades 9 to 12 have followed. Follow every step seriously for 6 to 12 months and 95% plus becomes very realistic. Phase 1, Foundation, first 7 days. Do this before starting serious study. Step 1. Fix your target and mindset. Write on paper, I will score 95% plus in every subject, and stick it on your study table. Tell your parents, teachers your exact target, they will support you more. Decide, no social media reels, no gaming, no YouTube, except educational 10 to 15 minute videos, for the entire year. Delete apps or use parental control. Step 2. Get the blueprint. Download the latest syllabus plus blueprint plus previous 10 years question papers of your board for every subject. Make a chapter weightage list, e.g., in maths, which chapters carry 10 to 15 marks every year. Meet each subject teacher once and ask, Ma'am, Sir, which topics are most important for 95 plus. Phase 2. Daily system, the real secret. Do this every single day. Step 3. Make a realistic timetable, 90 to 120 minutes daily extra study. Sample timetable for grades 9 to 12, adjust as needed. 5 o'clock to 6 a.m. right pointing arrow wake up, exercise plus quick revision of yesterday's notes. School time. 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. right pointing arrow 3 subjects, 1 hour each with 5-minute break. 7:15 to 8 p.m. right pointing arrow dinner plus rest. 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. right pointing arrow 2 subjects, weak subjects here. 10 o'clock to 10:30 p.m. right pointing arrow revise what you studied today, active recall. 10:30 p.m. right pointing arrow sleep, minimum 7 hours, non-negotiable. Step 4. Use the 3-layer study method, never just read. For every chapter. Layer 1, first reading, read textbook plus, insert plus make short notes in your own words, use colors. Layer 2, understanding, watch one short video, Unacademy, Physics Walla, YouTube, only for difficult parts. Layer 3, mastery, solve all NCERT examples plus exercises plus 20 to 30 extra questions from reference book, Rohde Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, together with Arihant, etc. Step 5. Daily active recall plus spaced revision. End of every day. Close book and write everything you remember on blank paper. This is the #1 technique used by 95% plus students. Weekly. Sunday full revision of all 7 days notes, use flashcards, Anki app for formulas, dates, diagrams. Phase 3. Subject-wise 95 plus strategy. Step 6. Science and maths, most scoring. Physics, chemistry. Make, formula plus derivation plus diagram, sheets. Practice numericals daily. Biology. Draw and label all diagrams 10 times each. Write answers in points plus flowcharts. Maths. Solve minimum 50 questions per chapter, mix easy, medium, hard. Time yourself. Step 7. Languages and social science. English. Read one unseen passage plus one poem daily. Write one long answer every alternate day. Hindi, Sanskrit. Memorize new grammar rules plus write 5 sentences daily using new words. SST, history. Make, mind maps, for every chapter plus learn all map work perfectly. Always write answers in points, underline keywords, draw flowcharts, diagrams equals extra 3 to 5 marks automatically. Phase 4. Practice like a topper. Step 8. Weekly tests, start from day 1. Every Sunday, full 3-hour timed test of 2 subjects, use previous year papers. Check your paper strictly like a teacher. Write your mistakes in a silly mistakes register. Target. Improve 5 marks every week. Step 9. Monthly full syllabus test. Last Sunday of every month, give complete syllabus paper of all subjects. Aim. 95 plus in every monthly test by 3rd month. Phase 5. Last 3 months, board exam mode, grade 10 and 12. Step 10. Revision plan. Make 1-page, last-minute notes, for every chapter, only formulas, keywords, diagrams. Revise entire syllabus 4 times. First revision, 30 days, full speed. Second, 15 days. Third, 7 days. Fourth, 3 days, only notes. Step 11, solve 15 full papers. Solve at least 15 full previous year plus sample papers in exact exam timing. After every paper, analyze, where did I lose marks? And fix it immediately. Phase 6, health and discipline, most important. Step 12, non-negotiable rules. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, no all-nighters. Exercise, walk 30 minutes daily. Eat healthy, no junk before exams. Drink 3 to 4 liters water. If you feel stressed, talk to parents or take 10-minute break, never study when tired. Step 13, track progress. Make a big chart on wall. Subject right pointing arrow, target right pointing arrow, current score right pointing arrow, gap. Fill it every month. If gap is big, increase time for that subject. Bonus tips from 95% plus scorers. Study in 50-minute focused blocks plus 10-minute break, Pomodoro. Teach the chapter to your mother, friend, sibling. This increases retention by 90%. Keep phone in another room while studying. In exam, attempt 100% paper, write neatly, draw margins, number answers properly. If you follow this plan sincerely for 1 full year, grade 9 right pointing arrow 95% becomes easy base for grade 10 boards. Grade 11 right pointing arrow strong foundation for grade 12 boards. Start today. The first 21 days will be hardest, after that it becomes a habit. You don't need to be super intelligent. You only need to be super consistent. Thank you for watching.